Okay, my beautiful friends. Yep, it is Sunday. This is my market to look ahead, and it's a big one. We have several things in play that we need to keep our eyes on, and one is tremendous. Let's start off with this. So we understand that just this past Friday, I think a trial balloon was floated out here to test the waters, to see how the market would react to President Trump's threat to delist Chinese stocks from the U.S. markets. Well, the market didn't like that very much. Now, we just found out, I think it was yesterday, that this is not going to happen. As I said in my post-market wrap-up on Friday, I did not believe it would happen. This was a story just floated out again to see how the market would react to it. If the president really wanted to get us a deal with China and was not fixated on propping up the stock market, he would get a deal. If he delisted Chinese stocks, this would be a serious blow to Chinese corporations that he has blamed countless times for stealing intellectual property. But again, he can't allow this to happen. He cannot allow the market to take a hit. He has no real intention to win a trade war. It's a lot of tough talk. It's a lot of nonsense, and it's gone nowhere in 2 years. Now, with that in mind, we understand that, again, another story has been floated out there. Trade talks to resume on the 10th. The market seems to buy this narrative no matter how many times it's thrown out there. Trade talks are going good, deals soon, nothing ever happens, but the stock market responds positively initially. So right off the bat, we have two things here which are stock market positive. Number one, the fact now that Chinese stocks will not be delisted. It's all a bunch of nonsense, threats, rhetoric. I don't think this stuff is thought out at all. It's kind of asinine to me, but that's how we rule today. Rule by asinine. That's really what we have here in America, and it's pretty damn stupid. So that stock market positive, that again, Chinese stocks will not be delisted. I'm expecting the market to respond positively to that. Number two, also positive, more stories are going to get floated out that a deal is coming soon. The talks are going to go well or are going well. It's not true. It's completely fake. The gap between the United States and China is so wide. It will not be done, in my view, and it's already been floated out too, prior to the election. Even President Trump said, meaning himself, do not need a deal before the election. I thought, again, the American people who mattered here, not just the singular, the I, the id, which is our president here, unfortunately. And if you don't like the fact that you think I'm beating up on him, you know what to do. Just unsubscribe. It's very simple. All right. Number three, watch for a false flag event to occur to prop up crude oil. Now, why am I saying this? Understand what I am telling you. This is a repetitive pattern that we have seen over and over again, and it's in our face. Right now, the price of crude oil is coming down. And if you notice, every time it comes down to the range where we are now, all of a sudden, a false flag event occurs to prop crude oil right back up again. So we are in that danger zone where crude oil is going to need to be propped up. So expect a false flag event to occur at any moment. At any moment. More than likely, it'll occur while the market is open or on an evening when the market, during the week. So watch for this. Either, let's say, another ship will be bombed, a refinery fire, a refinery will be bombed. Some event will occur to prop up crude oil, and the effect is very simple, and it's always the same. Soon as these events occur, and they're all false flags, you get to see an immediate spike in the price of crude oil. Now, this has a very positive effect, obviously, on the entire energy sector and the financial sector. The energy sector gets a boost. The financial sector gets a boost because their investments in crude oil are humongous. So if the financial sector is propped up via the entire energy sector, via the false flag with crude oil, that pushes stocks higher. So I think there is a triple threat, if you want to call it that, to this market to push it higher moving into this week. So let's see how this plays out. Again, you should be taking advantage of all of this in every way you possibly can. We understand what's being set up. Massive inflation to the Federal Reserve's balance sheet. What does that mean? Cash added to a digital screen on an epic scale. We have rate cuts coming, a series of them. So that means what? Bet against the debt, become your own central bank, hold hard assets, physical silver. My number one favorite asset in the history of my life. That's the truth. You should also own gold, platinum, and palladium as well. But silver, number one. I also believe you should own cryptocurrencies here. They've taken quite a hit as of late. I expect this to turn around at one particular time. I don't know when. I don't care when. The fact of the matter is, I think there is value there, and I explain to you why. The people that are holding cryptocurrencies, the group, is not shrinking. They are growing on a global scale. What does that mean? More demand. It could not be more clear to you. So again, betting against the debt, becoming your own central bank, holding cryptocurrencies, absolutely. Number two, use this market as a tool to create cash for yourself, which you can convert into other assets. And I don't think there's another guy out here, probably on the planet, who makes it more simple to you to learn how to trade this market. I have two 100% free systems right on my website, traderschoice.net. The one right on the front page, which all you got to do is put in a ticker symbol, is my 1, 2, 3 boom system. 3 steps to making cash. I mean, I can't imagine a more simple system. This is not a day trading system. This is a swing trading system, meaning you're going to hold trades for days and even into weeks. Now, again, that's right on the front page of my website, traderschoice.net. There is a link in the description of this video. Number two, if you are a day trader, take advantage of my quant system. The whole setup is, again, right on my website, traderschoice.net, upper left-hand corner. It's specifically set up for Thinkorswim, but if you put those parameters into your own trading platform, it should work there too. And the system is proving to be nearly invincible. Are you going to lose trades from time to time? Absolutely you are, but that's part of the game. If you are not willing to take losses, you shouldn't be in this business. That's part of it. It's a random walk with an upward drift, period. Anyway, look, so in summary, we got China stocks which are going to stay listed. President Trump's threat was nothing, unfortunately, because if he was serious about winning the trade war, he would do it. He's not serious about winning it. He can't win it at this particular time. And we are on the losing end, no matter how much you want to look at it, no how many lies he wants to throw at you. We're not taking in any money from these tariffs. As a matter of fact, we're losing hundreds of billions if you weigh the trade deficit against whatever tariffs China is supposedly paying, which they're not. China has tariffs on us as well, but they have a trade surplus, so China is on the winning end of that. Whatever rhetoric you hear to the contrary is a lie, and they're trying to convince you that the lie is real, just like this entire market, which is completely fake and is a lie among itself. Number two, trade talks. Watch for stories to get floated out that they're going great. Market's going to eat that up. And number three, watch for a false flag event. Prop up crude oil, prop up the energy sector, pull financials with it, pull the entire stock market with it too. That's where we are at right now, people. ponder these things. Again, please, if you're part of my team, share this video, get it out there. Let me know if this is important information for you. I will read the comments. Take advantage of my website, traderschoice.net. It's for you and it's for free. I pay for it. Everything, I pay for that website, pay for everything up there. I give all my stuff away. So take advantage of it or don't. It's up to you. I will see you in the morning. Love you a lot. And I'm out here.